Okay guys, we're going to do a little fire alarm tour at my church here. So, and this is a Potter system. So we have a BG12. This is the single action pull station. Silent night. The fire alarms itself are Spectre Alert Advances, ceiling mount. Here's the emergency lights. See if there's anything in the restrooms. In the restrooms, I have an i3, I guess that's an i3. What a fire alarm fail. Spectre Alert Advance, ceiling mount remote strobe, emergency lights. There's another i3. Another Spectre Alert Advanced. Emergency lights. Another i3. Here's the exit signs. Let's go down the steps. Another pull station. BG12. I guess that's the elevator, I'm not sure. Stairs are a bit scary because they're made out of metal. Just made it. Ooh! Where's the smoke detector? There's one up there. What a fire alarm fail. There's the annunciator, and there's the panel, which is the Potter panel.
Okay, look at this, look at this.
There's another advance.
I haven't seen nothing yet.
We have another annunciator. And to finish off, we have an i3 smoke detector. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.